today I'm going to show you how to create these wonderful, beautiful curls using the Remington All That Beach Wave Rollers. And you wouldn't believe how much I bought this for. $10. $10! I actually found this at Ross. And for those of you who don't know what Ross is, basically like a discount store. It has everything: clothes, furniture, hair tools. It's less stress on your hair. You're not using high heat. It's nice and compact. Now it comes in a case. It heats up in about 10 minutes. This whole thing probably took me 20 minutes to do all of this. And it looks like a lot of work, but I just did rollers and then a little bit of spray and voila, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is so affordable. I'll put the link in the description box where you guys can get this, and find it eBay, wherever. So I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye. So these are the curls that you get, and you could just see how defined these curls are. It's amazing. Alright, and for some of you this may be just like, whoa, too much curls, and for me this is kind of whoa. So what I would do is either take a bottle full of water, or what I'm using here is leave-in conditioner, and this is Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner. And so I'm just going to spray just like 3 or 4 sprays of this into the curls at the bottom, just to loosen it up, just to loosen up the curls, because it's just too much for me. And you could already see that it's weighing it down a little bit. And it's amazing how these rollers work, because this kind of curl looks like it took lots of work, like it took lots of time, and it only took 15 minutes just to set in. And actually curling my hair took about 5 minutes. You guys check it out, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.